Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Vintage Vikings, and today we are going to do once again the 24 days of stationery, or the advent calendar, or countdown to Christmas, whatever you and your family would call that. Today we are going to be doing both the December 14th and December 15th. It has been a crazy weekend and I had a ton of orders that needed to go out yesterday. And by the time I realized that I didn't do the video yet, it was already after midnight. So we are just going to double up today, and we are going to do December 14th and December 15th on our boxes. So, all right, here we are. We're going to start with Francesca's, which is the more woodsy one. If you are first time on my channel, then welcome and enjoy. We're doing these boxes, and you can go back to the first couple and catch up and see what we're doing and what it's all about, and then meet us back here. Otherwise, we love having you, and I would love it if you could just like and subscribe. Click the bell so you get notified. I'm really trying to hit 500 subscribers so that I can give away a journal. So anyway, let's get started on this one. All right, let's dig in here. Okay, so I said today we're doing the 14th and the 15th. So I hope your holiday prep is going well for you. I hope your cookies are all baked and you're enjoying them with hot cocoa. Unless you live in the southern states, maybe you don't need hot cocoa. All right, let's see what we got today. All right, so we got another little, what looks like a little booklet cover. It says "Have a Magical Christmas," and it again matches the theme of the 24 days of stationery. Nothing in it, just it's a shiny piece of cardstock. I think on the 13th we had the one that was faced a different direction, but very similar to this one. All right, throw some pages in there and decorate it up a little bit. I'll make a cute little journal, little notebook, that type of thing. Okay, so that was day 14. All righty, day 15. I know there's not a lot. These videos aren't very long. They're pretty short because there's not much in these, but I couldn't think of a better way to do this than to just do one every single day for just a couple of minutes. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. And another single piece of cardstock. It says some years are for growing, but this one is for blooming. I don't think some years are for growing, but this one is for growing, or for blooming. Okay, that's a mouthful. But again, it's a little piece of thin cardstock, shiny on both sides. Probably can be a tuck, a tag, something. Maybe I can punch a hole in it and make a little bookmark type of thing. So that would be day 15. So day 14 and day 15 of the 24 days of stationery. And this was Francesca's box, which was the one that was a gift to me. All right, and let's get Stephanie's box, which is the one that's kind of 12 days of Christmas. I bought this one over that one when I was ordering for myself because I thought it was a Nutcracker theme, because the thumbnail was small and I saw kind of what looked like a Nutcracker theme, but that's okay. I like 12 days of, I like anything Christmas. So okay, so day 14, and as you can tell, this one is a little bit, for those of you who haven't seen these before, this one's a little bit more modern, where the other one was a little bit more traditional. I will say I do love these Nutcrackers, or toy soldiers, or whatever you want to call them. Okay, it looks like we got another sticky pad. I believe we got a couple of these in the other box, this one says, encourage one another and build each other up. 1 Thessalonians 5:11. So there is a little bit of a religious base to this box. Well, both of them, I guess. So it's cute. Good stack of sticky notes. It seems like it's either hit or miss on either box. So if there's something a little bit nicer here, the other box is a little lacking, and vice versa. I will say they are from different companies. Well, we ordered them from different places, and I have been given quite a few messages now that these are not the authentic version. But you know what? It's still fun. It's still a little treat every day to look forward to. Okay, and here is day 15, and it is green today. Okay, see, I keep shaking it. Oh, and it looks like another notepad. And this one says, faith does not make things easy, it makes them possible. Luke 1:37. So it's another mini pad of paper. So there we go. So we got 2 pieces of cardstock from the other one on the 14th and 15th, and we got 2 similar notepads on this one. So tell me what you think so far. If you'd leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. Some of you have already been commenting about where you think these boxes came from and a little history about them. So let me know what you guys do for Advent calendars or Christmas countdown or getting ready for the holidays. So alrighty, and I will see you folks tomorrow, because now we're smooth sailing into the week. I'm caught up on all my orders, and so now it should be a little bit easier for me. So hope you're having a Merry Christmas or a Merry and a Happy Holidays, because it's not quite Christmas yet. And we will see you tomorrow. Thanks for coming. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm really trying to get to those 500 subscribers. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.